Be careful. I sense something strange.
Don't fall behind, okay?
We're heading for the Galaxy Corporation.
Let's hurry over to the Galaxy Corporation. I do not want to be stuck in a cell again.
Lots of different scenery, huh?
Therefore,
Hey.
to put an end to the long-standing war between Longardia and Draxel, we need to mutually agree to implement military cutbacks in order to drive home the point to the dissidents still pushing for war. People of Longardia, now is the time to lay down our weapons and take our first steps on the road to peace.
I knew I'd seen him before. Well, knock me down dead with a feather duster. It's Admiral Banage.
Admiral Banage?
That's right. He's the commander-in-chief of the Longardian army.
So what was a big shot like him doing in prison?
Banage is a pacifist, and he's probably got loads of enemies in militant Longardia. Yeah, I'll bet you half a haggis he was put in there by some pro-war zealots.
The war. There's no escaping it.
Man, she really did a number on you. For crying out loud, you old fool. All this for love. Well, not that I don't understand the feeling. Hmm? This time, don't let her go.
So there are beasts on this planet, too.
Hang on just a little longer, GA. We'll go get something to eat soon, okay? Excuse me. Please pardon me for asking, but do you happen to know this person?
Do you recognize him?
Never seen him before. Who is he?
He's my husband. His name is Sho. There was an accident at the chemical lab where he used to work, and he was caught in the explosion. He managed to survive, but he's gone missing from the hospital.
Simon, do you know this guy?
No, I can't say that I do. No.
Mommy! It's okay, GA. Thank you very much for your time. If you happen to see my husband, please tell him Miyoko and Chie are looking for him.
All right, we'll keep an eye out for him.
Thank you.
Something bothering you?
No, not especially. Oh, I feel a little dodgy all of a sudden. Do you mind terribly if Steve goes with you instead?
Huh?
I'll be joining the party if you don't mind. Thank you for your patience.
How's Simon doing?
My sensors failed to detect anything out of the ordinary. Apart from his body fat percentage, that is. At any rate, let's get to the Galaxy Corporation. The captain will have our heads if we don't hurry. All right, time to bear down.
Let's get this mission taken care of. They better renew it this time.
Huh? They released you already? You know, that's really surprising. Isn't that awfully fast for a bombing? Gosh, law is like so complicated.
We didn't do anything! Oh, this is all your fault!
Now, let's just get our galactic travel visa renewed.
One more time. ZR-KJ1701, the Dorganarch.
Huh?
Oh no. What now?
Duh. Have you guys been in prison or something? Don't you know what happened?
Huh?
I sure did think it was weird. You guys are so out of it. Don't you ever watch the news? Here.
We're live at the Datron factory, where an unnamed individual has taken over the computer mainframe, but has yet to make any demands. A large number of hunters are coming together from nearby cities to capture the criminal. Datron's offering a sizable reward for the capture of the terrorist. This is Lucy Dine reporting live from the scene of the standoff.
So, do you get it now? All of Zord's government offices are managed by the Datron mainframe. That's like a big computer. So, anyway, I'm afraid they can't help you till that's all settled and they get it back up. Sorry. You know, you could always go after the criminal yourself if you're in such a hurry. Here, look at this.
Attention, Datron Corporation! This is wrongful termination, pure and simple. I am totally running out of patience here. If you have time to send pathetic hunters in here, you ought to give in to my gosh darn requests! I am the victim here! My wife left me and my life became the absolute pit! I demand 200 million Zen in compensation for my pain and suffering!
Is this the guy?
It sounds to me like this fellow is taking revenge for being fired.
What a pitiful guy. If we manage to capture this guy, we can get our visa renewed, right?
Yep, I'd say that's about right.
Let's go get him. If it goes well, we'll even get that reward from Datron.
My, what confidence. I'm totally impressed. To get to the factory, just head straight out through the main doors and make a left at the Central Plaza, okay? Good luck out there!
Just one problem after another.
Be careful. I sense something strange.
This isn't good.
It's not healthy to be a scaredy cat.
Inspector Starr, Squad B has vanished. And Squad A's whereabouts are still unknown.
Damn it. Jupus Tukey McConnell. They say he's the brightest hacker in the galaxy. This isn't gonna be easy. Who are you?
Oh, hello. We're here to help you capture the criminal.
None of the ace hunters on Verdan have been able to apprehend him. I'm not gonna waste my time talking with random hunters like you. Get out of here.
Random hunters? How very rude. Go on, Mr. Rogue. Set this fellow straight.
Huh?
Listen, mister. Do you have any idea who you're in the presence of? Well, I'll tell you. The legendary hunter Desert Claw, that's who. Now stand back and behold the mighty hero.
Wait a minute. You're Desert Claw? I'm so terribly sorry. In that case, the Datron Corporation would like to make a request. We would like to hire you to secure the rebel Jupus Tukey. You may name your own reward.
Oh-ho! Being famous has its benefits, eh, Mr. Rogue?
Hey, wait a minute.
Fine, he'll accept. And happily. But the Great Desert Claw won't come cheap.
Lilica?
So you'll do it? Excellent. Jupus has commandeered the entire mainframe and taken control of the factory equipment. He's one to be reckoned with. Stay alert. The entrance is over there. We look forward to good results, Desert Claw.
We need to catch Jupus. Fast. Come on, let's hurry! Just one problem after another.
Oh, you got lucky. But this time I won't miss.
Why, you...
Be careful, you two. These robots are being controlled by remote.
By Jupus?
You're hunters hired by Datron just like the others, aren't you? Anyone who gets in my way is just asking for it!
Here we go.
Get away from this one. Thank you very much. It appears as though Jupus is utilizing the mainframe computer to control all the machines throughout the factory. This won't be easy.
That pathetic sociopath is gonna get it.
I have mixed feelings about fighting robots. Choosing the right route is the key.
Here they come!
Are you ready?
That was a cinch.
Be careful. I sense something strange.
Not these guys.
Here they come!
be coming across Jupus soon enough. Man, not these guys.
Watch out, everyone!
Jaster!
That's the end of that. We need to catch Jupus. Fast.
Watch out, everyone!
Man, not these guys.
Mr. Rogue!
That's how you get it done.
The number of beasts keeps increasing. Are you ready?
Here they come!
Just keep coming.
Grant peace to the souls of the defeated.
Popping up like crazy.
Here they come!
Entering battle, everyone.
That was a cinch.
We'll have to break through.
Here they come.
Here they come!
Are you ready? Mr. Rogue! I hope you don't hold it against us.
I don't like where this is going.
I'll take you on.
Entering battle, everyone.
Now we're talking.
Jaster! Praise to all the many spirits.
The number of beasts keeps increasing.
We'll be coming across Jupus soon enough.
Entering battle, everyone.
Here they come.
Let's keep going.
We need to catch Jupus. Fast. Man, not these guys.
Watch out, everyone!
This is the best a mere beast can do, huh?
Mr. Rogue!
That's the end of that. Man, where should we go? Man, not these guys. Watch out, everyone! This is what you get. That's how you get it done.
I don't like where this is going.
I have mixed feelings about fighting robots.
Man, not these guys.
Here they come!
Oh my, is it already over?
Come on, let's hurry! Man, not these guys. Watch out, everyone!
Jaster!
Good job, everyone!
How big is this place?
Man, not these guys.
Here they come!
That was a cinch.
We're not on the wrong path, are we?
What the heck is going on? Don't fall behind, okay?
There are machines everywhere in this place.
Is this all part of his plan? Man, where should we go? We need to catch Jupus. Fast.
Entering battle, everyone.
Here they come!
Here they come!
Mr. Rowe! That was a cinch.
We're not being misled, are we?
Here they come!
Over there! Mr. Rowe! That's how you get it done.
How big is this place? Here they come!
Uh-oh. Not good. All right, Mr. Rowe! That's the end of that. We need to catch Jupus. Fast.
Are you ready?
I'll take you on. Is that all you got?
Jester! Grant peace to the souls of the defeated.
This isn't good. Here they come!
Entering battle, everyone.
Let's keep going.
The number of beasts keeps increasing.
Popping up like crazy.
How big is this place?
Here they come!
Here they come! I'll take you down with one shot. Praise to all the many spirits.
What the heck is going on? Not these guys.
Watch out, everyone!
Don't cross our path.
Man, where should we go? Here they come!
Here they come!
Entering battle, everyone.
powers of the defeated. We'll have to break through.
The number of beasts keeps increasing.
Just keep coming.
Here I come!
Those guys were no challenge at all. Popping up like crazy. Huh? It won't open.
Leave it to me. Locks like this are a cinch to open. Huh? Ah!
Steve! Jester, look!
What is this? Whoa! What the?
It's on our side?
Can you hear me? My name is Dr. Donald Picaggio. I'm a researcher at this factory. I'm in another location, speaking through this robot. I can take care of Jupus, but you three need to get out of here now.
There's someone else in here?
Jupus is ours, you hear me? Researcher or not, you just sit tight and wait for help.
You don't know how terrifying he really is. Here's some friendly advice. Get out of here now!
You sound like a broken record.
Listen to me. Jupus Tuki is using the mainframe computer in an attempt to take over the city of Zor...
Donald, what happened?
Goodness, what happened to me? I thought I heard a familiar voice.
You're awake? Then let's move on. That guy'll beat us to the punch if we don't hurry. That dwarf thinks he's being funny.
I have mixed feelings about fighting robots.
We'll be coming across Jupus soon enough.
It is very hot. Be careful.
Don't fall behind, okay? We need to catch Jupus, fast.
big is this place?
I have mixed feelings about fighting robots.
I'll take you on. No big deal.
Jaster!
It's very hot. Be careful.
That's the end of that. What the heck is going on?
Entering battle, everyone.
Here they come!
Here they come.
Jaster! Jaster! This'll work?
Mr. Rowe!
Grant peace to the souls of the defeated.
Voila! Voila!
I don't like where this is going. We're not on the wrong path, are we?
Man, not these guys.
Watch out, everyone!
Jaster!
Go ahead! Mr. Rowe!
Jaster!
That's how you get it done.
Voila! Voila!
We'll be coming across Jupus soon enough. Man, not these guys.
Watch out, everyone!
Uh-oh. Not good.
Jaster!
We may be facing defeat.
Mr. Rowe!
Everyone okay?
Voila!
Be careful. I sense something strange.
Man, not these guys.
Watch out, everyone! Mr. Rowe!
Jasper! Is that all you got? That was a close one.
Thank you very much.
That twerp thinks he's being funny.
Man, not these guys.
Here they come!
Watch out, everyone! Mr. Rogue!
That was a cinch. What the heck is going on? I'll take you on.
Here they come!
Not done yet.
Mr. Rowe!
Jasper!
That's how you get it done. Man, where should we go? Man, not these guys.
Grant peace to the souls of the defeated.
Is this all part of his plan?
Are you ready?
Here they come!
Here they come! that?
The number of beasts keeps increasing.
Popping up like crazy. Man, not these guys.
If only they'd kept quiet. We'll have to break through.
It's not healthy to be a scaredy cat.
Jaster!
Is that?
Dr. Picacho, is that you?
Steve? It can't be.
Steve! Let's take care of these guys first.
We cannot run away from this one.
Here we go.
Don't let your guard down. Jaster!
Mr. Rogue!
Jaster!
Mr. Rogue!
Friend of yours?
Dr. Donald Picacho. He's my father. Rather, the scientist who made me.
Really?
But what could he be doing here? Doctor Picacho. It's Steve, Dr. Picacho.
Steve, am I dreaming? Is it really you?
Of course it's me, Dr. Picacho. I haven't forgotten you, not for a picosecond.
Sorry to interrupt such a tender reunion, but I think we ought to get out of here.
Oh, you're right. My sensors are going off too. The enemy is approaching. Can you walk, Doctor?
I'm fine. Fine. My office is in here. Please, come with me.
Why are you here in this factory?
Well, you see, my son Mark passed away.
No! Mark? That's not possible. It can't be true.
Yes, Steve, it's true, I'm afraid. As you already know, he was the only family I had. I'll admit, it's been very difficult since his death. The whole experience has really taken its toll on me. I haven't been able to concentrate on my research or fulfill the kind of high-level technological development requests I get from the central labs. So I applied for a job managing this factory.
But, Doctor, all of your talent.
No, Steve. I'm an old man now, and I think like one. In this day and age, forward-thinking engineers like Jupus may be better suited to what lies ahead.
That's not true. You're the best scientist around. I really believe that.
Thank you, Steve. That's very kind. Although you are a robot, you are able to display such tenderness and care. In all my years, you may be the only truly great thing I ever created.
Oh, sir.
But listen, Steve, we don't have time to just sit around here. Right now, you've got to put a stop to Jupus Tuki. Please, go.
Dr. Picacho. Okay, you're right. Come on, Mr. Rogue.
Got it.